Class 10 students, today I will start exercise 8.1. Question number 11. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. True or false? Question number 1, you listen. The value of 10a is always less than 1. The value of 10a is always less than 1. Now see, if you see from the table, value of 10a, the value of 10a starts from 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, increasing gradually. So, how it will be the value of 10a always less than 1? If you see value of 10a from the table already I have sent. And in page number 185 in your book it is given table. In the table if you see the value of 10a is 0, 1 by 3, 1 root 3 gradually sign 10, 0, 0, 10, 30, 1 by root 3, 10, 45, 1, 10, 60, root 3 gradually increasing. So how it is less than 1? So it is false. Now come to the question number 2. Say k equal 12 by 5 for some angle A. Question is what? Say k equal 12 by 5. So if you see from the table, sec 0, 0, sec 30, 2 by root 3, sec 45, root 2, sec 60, 2 means gradually increasing. So 12 by 5 is 2 point something. So it is increasing, so it will come. 2 point something will come. Because if you see here gradually increasing the values. So it is true. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is cote is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of an angle A. So cos is not of abbreviation of cosecant. I have written already. I have given that at the starting of the trigonometry. I have written cosine. Cos is the abbreviation of cosine. So it is not cosecant. So it is false. So next question number 4. Cote is a product of cot and A. No. A is an angle. So cot into A equal not cote. It is false. And next number, sin theta equal 4 by root 3 for some angle theta. If you see from the table, the value of sin theta is always between 0 and 1. Since value of sin theta is always between 0 and 1, then how it will be? Sin theta equal 4 by 3 more than 1. So it is false. Now, from the table, you can find the value. Means, first you have to learn the table. From the table, you can find sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60 like this. Cos 45, tan 45 like this. So, how can you get the values in the table? So, the finding of value of trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. How can you find it geometrically? I will show you. Question may come like this also. Find sin 45 geometrically. It may come like this also. Find cos 45. One question only may come. Find sin 45, cos 45, tan 45, sec 45, cot 45 or cosec 45. So from here one may come or may come more than one also. Like this question come. Or prove that sin 45 equal 1 by root 2, cos 45 equal 1 by root 2, tan 45 equal 1, etc. It may come like this also. So how can you find the value of 45 degree geometrically? Now, we are going to find the value of 45, means sin 45, cos 45, tan 45, sec 45, cot 45, cosec 45, like this. Now see solution. ABC is an isosceles triangle, isosceles right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle where angle A equals suppose 45 degree. If A equals 45 degree, then C also 45 degree. C is also 45 degree. How? If one angle is 90 degree, and in the case of one acute angle is 45 degree, so another acute angle will be 45 degree, because 45 plus 45 equal 90, 90 plus 90 equal 180 degree. So ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle where angle A equals C equal 45 degree, and AB equal BC equal AB equal BC, and A equal C equal 45 degree, and AB equal BC. Now let AB equal BC equal A. Suppose this equal A, both are equal. Now since angle B equal 90 degree, this one 90 degree, so we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of AC. Now AC square equal AB square plus BC square, Pythagoras theorem. AB equal A, BC equal A, so A square plus A square. So AC square equal twice A square. So AC equal root over twice A square. So A square means A into A. One A will come out. So A root 2. What we have got? AB equal A, BC equal A, AC equal A root 2. Now in a diagram ABC, we got AB equal A, BC equal A, AC equal root 2A. Now angle A equal 45 degree. These are equal. With respect to angle A, if you take angle A, then this is 45 degree. Therefore sin 45 degree equal sin theta equal, we know, P by H. Sin theta equal P by H. So according to this angle, P will be opposite side BC. H hypotenuse will be AC. So BC by AC. BC by AC. The value of BC equal A. AC equal root 2A. Put here A cancel 1 by root 2. Therefore sin 45 degree equal 1 by root 2. If you see in the table, you will get sin 45 equal 1 by root 2. Now cos 45. Cos 45 means B by H. 45 this angle with respect to angle A. So this is 45 degree. According to this angle, this will be base and this will be hypotenuse. So AB by AC, AB by AC. B, here B by H means base by hypotenuse. So AB equal A, AC equal A root 2. See from here. Cancel 1 by root 2. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Now tan 45 come. Tan means P by B, perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is BC. Base is AB. So tan equal BC by AB. BC, value of BC equal A. AB also A by A equal 1. Tan 45 degree equal 1. If you see in the table, then you will get tan 45 degree equal 1. Now cot 45 degree, B by P. This is B, this is P. A by A 1. Cot 45 degree also 1. Sec 45 degree. Sec theta equal what? Sec theta equal H by B. H by B. So H equal AC, B equal AB. So AC by AB. So AC by AB equal A root 2. A root 2 by A cancel root 2. Cosec 45 degree equal H by P. So AC by BC. A root 2 by A cancel root 2. So cosec 45 degree equal root 2. If you see in the table, then you will get these are values like cos 45 1 by root 2, sec 45 root 2, etc. Now very simple application I will show you. Suppose you are asked to find sin 45 plus cos 45 by tan 45. Now from the table, means we can put here also, from here also, sin 45 equal 1 by root 2 we got, sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2 by tan 45 equal 1. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 divided by 1. 1 I have not written. So denominator is 1, no need to write. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Take LCM root 2. 1 plus 1. 2 by root 2. 2 means what? Multiplication of 2 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 equal 2. So root 2 cancel 2 root 2. So ultimately answer is root 2. Means the value of this is root 2. Very simple application this one. So you remember it. You have to learn the table properly. So then you can do exercise 8.1, 8.2 nicely. Otherwise you cannot understand and cannot do also.